Let's look at this last one right here. It says, suppose sine of theta is 12 over 13. Now 12 over 13 is not one of these values that shows up in our commonly memorized chart over here. So we're going to have to do this a slightly different way. Now we are told that it's in between pi over 2 and pi. That's the second quadrant over here. That's over here. So the only ones that are positive in the second quadrant are sine and cosecant. The rest of these are going to be negative. Okay, let me draw a picture of what this might look like in that quadrant. It seems like in trigonometry, whenever you need to do something different, you can draw a picture. So whatever this theta is, it's in the second quadrant, and it's got this kind of reference angle right here. Sometimes we call that theta hat, and it makes a right triangle. Now sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse. So that must mean this side is 12 and this side is 13. Opposite over hypotenuse. And I can use a little trigonometry, a little Pythagorean theorem to figure out what the other side is. The other side, well, this makes a Pythagorean triple 144 plus 25 equals 169. So this other side should be 5. If you want to take 13 squared and subtract 12 squared and take a square root, you can figure out the other side. This triangle should give you everything you need to know about this. So for instance, cosine of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So this should be 5 over 13. Now I got to remember it's in the second quadrant where cosine is negative, so I put a negative in front of that. Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is 12 over 5. Again, it's in the second quadrant where tangent is negative, so I don't forget to put that negative right there. Cosecant theta, I didn't even have to draw this picture. For cosecant theta, it's just the reciprocal of sine theta. It's 13 over 12. And secant theta, since I've already found cosine theta is easy as well, I'm taking the reciprocal of cosine theta. So secant theta is not negative 5 over 13, it's negative 13 over 5. And that's how you find these values when you're not given a common value up in the chart, but you're given something else like 12 over 13.